Thanks for checking out the video today. Right now we are a couple of steps away from Tecate, Mexico. We're gonna go check it out, see how it is. We plan on eating the food. We're gonna see if the tacos here compared to the tacos in TJ. My wife's from TJ, so she doesn't think they compare already. So we'll see.
No.
She says no already. So we have. We're also gonna get pan dulce, which is sweet bread. They have the #1 factory right here, so we're gonna check it out. And then also our main thing is to see if the Tecate Beer Factory is open. We've been trying to call. We checked out the website and cross your fingers. We're hoping it's open. Now we give you a little tour of it. So we just parked our car on the US side and then we're gonna walk through. We parked at a VIP premier parking dirt spot. So, you know, hopefully our car's still there when we get back. And let's go into Tecate, Mexico. We just passed Mexican immigrations and we walked straight in. It's a pretty much straight shot. We're gonna go down a little hill and then straight to the Zócalo, or the town center. We're gonna go check out that first, the Plazuela. Whatever they call it here. We're gonna go check that out first. We're here relaxing in Tecate Town Center and it's just nice, easy. We got the ice cream man going around. It feels like a nice place to drink a coffee and just relax.
Churros or pan dulce.
Or a churro, that sounds good.
Yeah, yeah, it's like peaceful, right? Like there's not a lot of traffic here. I like it. I like it. I'm done feeding me your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing. Our second pit stop of the day after seeing Town Square is a dulceria, which is a candy shop, and we had to get some tamarindo for the micheladas. Woohoo! Because it's really hard to find it in San Diego. So.
Oh yeah, so we had to get it here, Tecate. Third stop of our Tecate trip is gonna be the Tecate Beer Factory. We're crossing our fingers. We're hoping that they're open because, I mean, we tried to contact them via their website, TripAdvisory, whatever number we call, whatever email we give out, it's, you know, we get no response. So hopefully it's open.
Hopefully
That
they're
way-
doing the tours.
Yeah, hopefully we get a sneak peek, do a backstage tour. Hopefully we get some Tecate. And we'll see.
Did more to me, 'cause I'd start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go.
So it's not looking too good for the home team. It looks like they're still under their construction phase. But I mean, the building is up. Hopefully they open soon. That way we could come back and, you know, take a tour and just check it out.
I need you by my side.
We just spoke with a lady up in front, and yes, confirmed it is closed for construction. They're planning on opening January of 2019. So we'll be back January 2019 when it opens up. That way we can give you guys a full tour and see what it's like inside and take a little taste of the Tecate beer.
Yeah. Well, so far that's what she said, that the only spot that we can be like the closer to the factory, it's right here where we are at, and these are the only shots we can have. But yeah, next year we'll get the full tour.
We'll be back. So after the disappointment of the Tecate factory being closed and walking around, kind of built up a little appetite. So we're gonna go eat some tacos. We're gonna test them out, let you know how they are. How do you think they're gonna be before we get there?
I don't know, probably if I need to rate them, I don't know, probably 3 stars?
3 stars already? All right.
We'll see.
Let's
They
go,
cannot
let's
be
see.
5 stars.
Let's see if we can bump those stars up. We found it, Taqueria Los Amigos. It's pretty close to the town center. It's just right around the block, and it has 4.4 stars on Yelp. So we're gonna see if it's 4.4, 5, maybe 3. Maybe they don't compare to the Tijuana tacos.
We'll see.
We'll find out.
I don't think so.
Here we go. We just got done with the taco shop, and I don't know how many stars, Shuta.
2.5 or 3.
2.5 or 3.
Yeah,
I'm gonna say
not
about
good.
the same thing. I didn't like it. It was there was too much like fatty pieces in my my carne asada. So
Yeah, the tortilla wasn't like handmade tortilla.
not handmade, not good. The only good thing I liked was the guy told me, I tried to order some more tacos, and he said that the quesadilla was pretty big. So he stopped me from ordering more, which was cool.
He was honest.
That was the only thing. I say the best part of that lunch was the Coca-Cola. That was pretty much it.
My drink, yes.
The drink was good?
Yeah.
Horchata, or what'd you have?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Her Jamaica's good. My Coke was good. Other than that,
Tecate is not like famous because they're tacos. They're
Yeah.
famous because they're pan dulce, so that's why.
that's our next pit stop. We're gonna pick up some pan dulce right now.
Don't run from the truth. Your lies. Now I know you played me just like a flip. I still can't believe you had me on a leash, cutting all my teeth with all the lies you breathe. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind,
are here at El Mejor
pan de Tecate.
El Mejor Pan de Tecate, which means the best bread of Tecate. So we're gonna put that to the test, see if it's good or not. What did you get?
I have this one. I got the like corn shape. I don't remember exactly the name of it, but it's filled with berries. So that's why, and it's wheat. So I wanted to try this one.
And me, I went for the non-traditional. It looks like a donut. It has vanilla frosting and M&Ms. We're gonna put this to the test and see if they are El Mejor Pan de Tecate.
At least it says the Tecate, not the whole world.
Yes, Tecate. We are leaving El Mejor Pan de Tecate, the best bread in Tecate, and I give it a thumbs up.
Okay.
What do you give it?
Yeah, I give them the thumbs up too, but stay tuned to our next video, which is gonna be the best tacos in Tijuana and the best pan dulce in Tijuana.
Okay, so I don't know. I liked mine. I think they did good. The bread was good. I think Dunkin' Donuts need to step up their game and start putting M&Ms on the donuts, because mine was good. I liked mine.
I like mine too.
Oh, you did like yours? Okay.
I liked it.
So she liked it, but TJ Bread and TJ Tacos
Are the best.
are the best. Well, this is the best of Tecate.
And the other ones.
Would you say this is the best of Tecate?
I haven't tried any other bread here in Tecate,
So it is the best by
but
default.
in the state of Baja California, like it's like famous. This Tecate, el mejor pan dulce, the best
Tecate.
pan dulce de Tecate. Yeah, like it's famous. I like it. They have a lot of kinds of bread,
All kinds.
wheat bread. They also have cake.
Yeah, they did
and-
have cake. They had a ice cream cake, I think, too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and if you buy a donut, you get a free coffee.
Yeah.
But it's like, the coffee is like the size of a shot glass, so. And it's not the gourmet stuff, it's the stuff they have made over in the corner, so.
They also sell coffee.
They do
there.
sell coffee, the good stuff, so if you're interested in that while you eat a donut or eat pan dulce, there you have it.
You're gonna need to by my
So if you're crossing in vehicle, it does look like there's a little line behind us. I don't know, maybe 30 minutes to 40 minutes. But if you're crossing on foot,
Nothing.
there's probably like 3 people in front of us. So that's how it is. There you have it. Thanks for watching the video. That was one day in Tecate. And we did a couple of things. We went to eat, we got some candy. We checked out the closed Tecate Factory, sorry about that. But if you like this video, please give it a like. Hit that subscribe button. I got plenty more videos like it. Go check out my channel and check them all out. Thanks for watching.